All right, so we started off taking off the battery post. We took the positive one off. It's an 8mm or 5/16. We took that off. Looking at this, we're gonna give it a clean before it goes back together. We have to take the airbag out of the vehicle. So you wanna disconnect your battery so you don't get a big boom. And we're gonna go into the truck right now, and we have two plastic caps that hold the right here for the steering. So we're gonna pop these two off, and there's gonna be a bolt in here, 10mm, looks like an 8mm for the airbag. So we're gonna pop the other one off, and we'll grab an 8mm, and then we can take the airbag out and disconnect it. And our switches are right here on top of the steering wheel. So we got the other cap in here. We're gonna pull this one off. We'll get our 8mm here. Look at that side. It's going to be the same on this side. We're going to pop this side off right now. Okay, we can remove the airbag. We got the plug over here for it. You can press the plug, pull that off.
So the whole thing comes off as one assembly, huh?
Yeah, and you buy the whole airbag as a whole assembly.
So if you had to replace the airbag for this truck, it'd come as a complete assembly like that with the pad and everything?
Just like it with the pad and everything.
That's that easy.
2 bolts to put it on, take the 2 plastic clips out. We're gonna plug our airbag back in over here. It's critical that you unplug the battery when you disconnected the battery. Okay. Okay. This side over here.
Just like when we started, there's a screw on each side, same location.
Yeah. Take this one up over here. Okay. And we've got our 2 plugs here. And these things just pop in. Pop them right back into the holes. Tony's gonna pop the other one in over there.
I see it.
You got it?
Nope.
Oh, there it is.
Yep.
All right, so we're gonna connect the battery up, make sure the horn works. So we took our battery terminal off. They don't look that clean, so we're gonna clean these up while we got them off. This tool will just clean them up nice inside. And then put the cap back on. Looks like new. So we'll put the terminal back on. Tighten it down, and we're going to do the same procedure on the ground terminal. And then we have some battery terminal spray we've got here, and we're going to spray the terminals down to keep the corrosion off of them. Just gonna snug these up good. Make sure they don't twist. I'm gonna take a little bit of battery spray. I like to do a couple coats on them. Do a coat on it. You let it set up a couple minutes and then you can give it a second coat.
You good?